Hey guys, welcome back to TR Tech. In this video, we'll see how to install Apache Web Server in our system. For that, just open Google Chrome or any web browser you want. And here you can type apache launch.com/download. And click on enter. Then you will see the page like this. Here you can go to Apache 2.4.57 for Windows 64-bit. Here you can click that file. After downloading the file, just open that file. Just go to downloads. From here, you can extract this file. So click on extract all. So here you can browse your location, whatever you want. Then extract the file. After extracting the file, so here is the Apache web server. So now just open command prompt, cmd, and run as administrator. So click on this. So here we can navigate our directory to cd. So here we can change our directory to Apache 24. And then change directory to bin. Now open readme. Click on that. Here you can copy this command. Paste it in the command prompt. And click on enter to install it as a service. So the service is already installed in my system. So now go to Windows and type services. Click on services. And find Apache 2.4. And click on start. Now open the browser and type localhost. And you will see it works. If you think you don't want this web server, then delete this one and this one, and then stop the service and go to command prompt. Use this command to uninstall your web server.
Please support me and subscribe to our channel for more videos.